Hola, hey, what's up, everyone? It's your girl Zaina, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not so new here, go ahead and go ahead and drop a comment, if you have any tips and tricks for this video. And as we're talking about tips and tricks, you're gonna watch me declutter my closet right here. You're gonna watch me declutter my closet, but I'm also gonna be giving you tips and tricks as to how to do that. So that I said, today we're decluttering my closet, and I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to do that. Now, why am I decluttering my closet? No, I think the first reason this time around is because I've gained quite some weight. I've gained quite some weight. I don't know if you watch some of my videos, my previous videos, you might notice that my face has gotten a little bit fatter. But that's because, one of my fitness goals is to actually, or was to actually reach a certain fitness goal, and I'm here. I've reached that spot. But with that, going to that, reaching that weight goal, yeah, reaching that goal weight, yes, meant that I kind of outgrew some of my clothes, so some of them gotta go, no matter how I love them, because I'm not going back. And in that same breath, go ahead and follow my fitness business, bodied fitness on Instagram and on Facebook, and hit a girl up, hit us up over there to help you reach your fitness goals. Now, with that said, that's one reason. Another reason is because it's something I do every year, typically twice a year. With the whole pandemic last year, I didn't do it at all. Like, not one. I didn't take out anything out of my closet. And I'm doing something new. I don't want to call it a new series because it may take a couple more weeks, couple more months to drop all the videos. But I am redoing my room in a sense, and I thought I'd show you the closet part, So I'm gonna be reorganizing my closet. Just the top part. The bottom part, we're still sorting that out because the bottom part is like a whole warehouse in itself. Yeah, it has my bags, it has my skincare business stuff. Follow Share Cosmetics, guys. It has a bag of things down the bottom. I'm not ready to tackle that, but I'm ready to tackle up here, which is what we're gonna do today. So this is the top part, and this is not all my clothes, but this is all the clothes that's there right now, because I have drawers here, drawers behind you. I have clothes that need to be ironed and all of that jazz. So this is my closet, guys. This is my closet. And the first tip, I want to talk about is to give away clothes or to take out clothes out of your closet, because we haven't really reached the point what to do with the clothes as yet. But to take out clothes out of your closet that you're not wearing, like you just not wear it, and you're not gonna wear it. So I don't know why you're holding on to it. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. This one stays because this one was one of the first. It's a bit stained and dirty, because it's been in the closet since like forever. As you can see, this is one of my first baby clothes, which is really cool. But yeah, you want to ensure that you're taking out clothes that don't fit you, that that you legit can't fit into at all. So this fits. I really can't tell when last I wear it. So that will lead us into the next step. But before we go that, let's just take out a few stuff. Let's put this one aside. But yeah, so whatever doesn't fit, I don't know about that one. Yeah. So yeah, so okay. So I have a few things that I really, really haven't worn, and I probably should just go into the next step and done. I barely even start. Like, I kind of like this, but I can't tell when last I wore it. I think this is gonna stay in the keep file. But the next one is, if you haven't worn it for over a year, get rid of it. I know if you haven't worn it for over a year, all right, a lot of people may say, okay, but I haven't worn it for over a year, but that's because I forgot about it. And if that's the case, fine. But if 3 months pass and you still haven't worn it, get rid of it. So that's the second part to that next tip. So if you haven't worn it for a year or within a year, get rid of it. However, if the reason you haven't worn it is because you haven't seen it because it somehow got lost in the closet, then give it 3 months, and then after that, get rid of it. Like, no ifs nor buts about it. Get rid of it. Right? So that's the next tip. Yeah, this gotta go. So, you want to ensure that whenever you're emptying out your closet, you keep a lot of timeless pieces. Sometimes you can keep some outdated pieces because they do come back into what do you call it? They do come back into trends. I don't typically dress for trends. I don't buy for trends. But if you do have, a few pieces that were trendy before, you don't always have to throw them out. This, however, I don't know. It's Loft though. I love Loft clothing. It's one of my favorite brands. Loft clothing is really nice. I have a couple Loft pieces, but I don't know. All right, we're gonna put this in a maybe pile because I'm thinking about it and it can probably work. And I really would. Oh my gosh, I need to throw this into the, what do you call it? This into the wash because there's a stain on it. I haven't worn this in a while, but I do love it. So it's this Vince Camuto top. I wish it was a dress because it would look so nice as a dress. And yeah, it's really cute. It has this detail right here, and I'm keeping it. I haven't worn it in over a year, but yeah, as of today, whenever you see this video, or well, today when I'm filming this video, I'm going to be implementing that 3-month rule, even though some of these I haven't worn in over a year. This is a nice little casual top. So anyways, we'll go through and speed this up, and then we're gonna go how to what do you call it? We're gonna go and I'm gonna tell you how to organize your closet to make things easier, more seamless on the brain, for you to find things easier and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do now. So from that little snippet, you probably saw a lot. I probably have a lot of clothes. Probably, maybe, but I have enough clothes. So I took out like a good amount, and you could see I could still spread it, and it's still something there. It's still kind of clothes. Anyways, I took out a bag of clothes to give away. I went through everything because a girl was not gonna take out everything, and yeah, put it back. So I took out enough so that I'd have enough space. So how do I organize my closet? There are three ways. There are three ways that I would do it sometimes, but I'm gonna do it the lazier way because it is like what, 1:30 in the morning, and yeah, I don't know why I choose to do this at these times. I choose to do my hair at like 12, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the mornings. By the way, I have church in a few hours, so yeah. Yeah, so what I usually do though is I organize them by item, by clothes item type. So I do tops, and then I do casual dresses, and then I do like very formal church or church dresses, not just formal dresses, but formal or church dresses, or very professional looking dresses, And it, like, if you, cause some dresses can cross over. Some dresses can be worn to church, some dresses can be worn to the office, those type of stuff. Then I do very party looking fits, my, like, there's this blue romper here, which I love so much. And just little things, like freakum dresses, them type of things there. Then I do skirts and pants, but mostly skirts because I do have a drawer where I put all my pants. And then I do jackets and outerwear. That's the last thing I do. So typically, as I said, I'd start with that. So that's the easy way. You just put in. The next way is to color code. Color coding is a total ball game, but I've done it before and it has helped tremendously in that I can just open my closet, and if there's a specific color that I'm looking for, I can just go to that section and get it. So the third one involves a mixture of both. So you're organizing based on item type, and then you're color coding within that item type. And yeah, that takes a lot of time. So I typically choose nowadays to just organize based on item type, and it doesn't have to be in a specific order. I just do it that way because that's just how I've always done it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then we're gonna end the video. And yeah, that's just a few tips and tricks on how to declutter as well as to organize your closet. For the video, guys, like literally I went back, and I seriously, sorry guys, let's close that. I seriously had to evaluate some of the clothes that I said I would be keeping, because truth and in fact, even though they have huge sentimental sentimental, yeah, they're very sentimental to me, it's not a guarantee that I'd wear them, and I would much rather someone who really needs it and will appreciate it to get it. So I was like, okay, I don't want to give it away, but I'll give it away. So I have a huge pile right here that I will have to go through. Not tonight though, so I'm gonna put them up somewhere else. And yeah, my closet is a bit freer, even though you see lots of clothes still in there, but at least I've taken out the clothes that I know I'm not wearing and can go to someone who really needs it. So yes guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, and if you learned any new tips, or if you have any tips yourself on how to declutter and organize your closet, let me know, because a girl is like doing a whole revamp of her room. I've already started and I'm so excited. Anyways, if nobody yet never tell you no, my love no.